Hello everyone. Let's begin today's civics class for standard 6. Today's topic is local self-government in the village. Today we'll discuss this 2 point local self-government meaning, Panchayati Raj system, features and functions. Before starting the lesson, you must know what is civics and why students should learn about civics and what are the civic amenities. Civics is the study of the rights and duties of the citizen, and it teaches students about the very basics of how their government works. What is civic amenities? Both urban and rural area, the facilities provided by the government for the common people are called civic amenities. What are they? Water supply, electricity, health care, educational institution and roads. Now come to the topic local self-government meaning. Now see what is local self-government. Local self-government is an institution which looks after the local problem and provide basic amenities to the people. Local self-government reduces the work of the central and state government by taking care of civic amenities at the local level. Now come to the next point, what is Panchayati Raj system, features and function. Before dealing the Panchayati Raj system, you must know what is Panch and what is Panchayat. The term Panchayat comes from the word Panch, which was used for the 5 village elders who settles disputes and took decisions. And all local self-government bodies for rural area are called Panchayat. Now let's see what is Panchayati Raj system. Panchayati Raj system functions in a 3-tier system. They are given here: village, block and district. For ease of administration, the states in India are divided into districts. Districts are further divided into blocks, each of which has a number of villages under it. Panchayat exists at all 3 levels. This system of local self-government at 3 levels is called Panchayati Raj system. In this system, a village has Gram Panchayat, a block has Block Samiti and district has Jila Parishad. And all they are representative. Jila Parishad DM, Block Samiti video and Gram Panchayat Panchayat Secretary. What are the features of the Panchayati Raj system? They work in 3-tier system. Panchayat elections regularly every 5 years and some seats are reserved for women, SC, ST and OBC. I hope this topic, what is Panchayat, what is Panch and what is Panchayati Raj system, understood. We'll discuss all in next class. Now solve some question related to the topic. What is civics? What is the importance of learning civics? What are basic amenities? Give example. What is Panch? What is Panchayat? What is Panchayati Raj system? Make the structure of Panchayati Raj system. I hope you understood up to here. Do all this homework in your notebook. Thank you. Have a nice day.